Hello. So reports are coming that there is a earthquake in northern India. So you see here, magnitude 5.3 earthquake affected countries Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, and Bhutan. 25 25 kilometers from Phik, Nagaland, India. 9:45 a.m. So there is earthquake in northern India. Let's see, open this. You see, this is the we need more information about this earthquake. This is 526 kilometer SW of Phik, India. This place here, from here in Nagaland, close to the Imphal. Mhm. I don't see more news about this earthquake. Let's see if I can open this. Moreover, this will be affected this area, like from here. Most of the country is very close. This Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, India. Mm, let's see this. Yeah, earthquake, George, Manipur. Tremors felt in Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram. Mizoram, these all are affected. Assam earthquake. A moderate earthquake measuring 5.6 on the Richter scale jolted Assam and other parts of northeast India at around 6:35 am. Mild earthquake hits Manipur. Tremors felt in entire northeast. You see, the hours are different. Here is written earthquake struck at 1:15 p.m. just few hours from just few hours back. Okay. Okay, hopefully everyone will be okay. Thank you.